elevator 8, also an entrance elevator at IKEA in Schaumburg, Illinois. That sounds replaced. I don't see a fan anywhere. Here it comes. There's not going to be anyone on it at all because this is an entrance elevator. So here it is. What? What was that? That was funny. That was funny. Okay. Let's go to 3. Oh, what the? Okay. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, what is that door operator? This is definitely one of the later ones. This might be from 99. This is definitely a later one. This is elevator 8. This was probably the last one installed. Because this is different from the other ones. Like, way different. Not way different, but you get the idea. You get what I'm trying to say. Panda. Here we're down to 1. And we'll take it up again. That door operator. It's not going to be going anywhere, so I'll demonstrate that one time. Come on, close up. This thing stays on peak up, that's right, okay. Okay, it felt a bit low on oil. Here, listen. Just listen. The door operator's messed up. KONE. I wonder if this is a KONE. I'm really wondering. It might be a KONE. Here's your Panda again. It's just like that might be CE dot matrix. I have no clue. That chime is so messed up. And it's just gonna stay on peak up, so that's it.